Hello, to fix voice to text not working on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, let me quickly explain. As you're enabling your keyboard and you don't have this microphone icon visible right here on this bottom left corner, let me quickly show you how to fix this. You have to go into the settings, from here scroll all the way down and go into the general management. From here we go into the keyboard list and default, and right here is this option, keyboard button on navigation bar, and as you enable this option, from here you'll have to there actually will be this microphone icon available. But in case you don't have this microphone icon, but here is the keyboard icon, what you have to do is again go into this settings, scroll all the way down, go into general management, go into keyboard list and default, and right here is the Google voice typing, and you simply have to enable this option, press OK right here, and as you have this enabled, from here you will also have this will actually fix your problem, and you will not have this keyboard icon, there will be this microphone icon, just like this. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.